Are you experiencing the frustration of your YouTube channel not showing up in search results? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to fix this issue on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Launch YouTube on your PC by visiting the official YouTube website. Step 2. Find your channel ID. In order to proceed, we need to locate your unique channel ID. Here's how you can find it. Within the YouTube menu, go to Settings. Select Advanced Settings. Next to Channel ID, click Copy to save your channel ID to your clipboard. Step 3. Search by your channel ID. Now that you have your channel ID, let's search for it to ensure it appears in the search results. Step 4. Use the filter option. To narrow down the search results and only display channels, use the filter option at the top of the search results page. By applying this filter, you can easily locate your channel and ensure it is visible in the search results. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the issue of your YouTube channel not showing up in search results on your PC.